We're just over 5,000 hectares. We're a training farm. We sheep, beef and deer. With the FarmIQ, one of the big drivers for it was to expose the cadets to the software and being able to go out and use it out and when they leave here in their jobs. I can see the benefits for obviously for the young people, but also for our staff as well. We also want to be training young people, but we've also got to keep our staff up with the play of what's going on in farming world, and it's changing all the time with technology. I definitely would recommend using FarmIQ from what we got out of it in a short time and what we can see it doing is pretty big. We didn't use a lot of technology. It was like a monthly stock rec sort of feed budget from the guys on a piece of paper to me, and then I'd input it into the system, and then that's pretty much all we had. So I suppose have it updated daily or live when you're just doing stuff, it's going to be big. I think FarmIQ will help us, I suppose, understand what's happening now. If there was an opportunity came up with purchasing or selling of stock, you can either do it on the app or on the computer. You can just quickly run through an option or whatever, and then what comes out of FarmIQ can make that decision on the spot. I don't think FarmIQ's been too hard to pick up. I spent a bit of time on it and just trying to figure it out and playing around and trying to find my way around and see what works. And then obviously you're talking to Garth and the support crew on the phone every now and then. For me, I can be in here and I can see what's happening on all three blocks because it's right there and it's live, rather than you pick up the phone at the start of the week and say, oh, what are you up to and what's this stock up to and blah blah. It's already there. You're not sort of asking for that stuff all the time. You can just see it whenever you need to see it. There's no point in having an EID animal running around out there that we're not using the data when we're recording it anyway. Might as well put it into a system where we can track it. Yeah, I quite like to see where it's been and where we're going, and if our targets are here and we've hit underneath it, why? And that's where the FarmIQ is really easy, and anyone on a smartphone can do it. I'm pretty sure that my father could probably do it.